Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's step into the shoes of a real customer to understand how a modern inbound chat journey unfolds in a contact center. Meet Sarah Johnson. She's waiting for an online order that hasn't arrived on time. Instead of calling, she chooses the website's chat option, quick, simple, and convenient. What follows is a seamless, step-by-step process involving automation, intelligent routing, live agent support, and post-interaction analytics, all working together to resolve her issue efficiently while delivering a smooth customer experience. The journey begins with Priya, a customer browsing through her favorite online store's website. She is looking for an update on her recent order but doesn't want the hassle of waiting on a phone call. As she scans the page, her eyes catch the Chat with Us button, an always available gateway to instant help. With just one click, Priya opens the chat window, ready to connect on her own terms, at her own pace. In the chat box, she types, "Hi, I want to track my order number 4567. This single message sets an entire digital support ecosystem into motion, starting a seamless journey that combines speed, convenience, and technology to deliver answers faster than ever before. It's quick, it's easy, and it's the first step toward a smooth and satisfying customer experience. Once Priya sends her message, it begins its journey through the channel gateway, the invisible bridge between the website chat widget and the contact center platform. Here, the system works behind the scenes to identify her session, assign it a unique ID, and ensure the entire conversation is tracked from start to finish. Every message, every detail, including text, emojis, or attachments, is standardized so the platform can handle it seamlessly, regardless of the device or channel she used. At the same time, the system performs essential logging and data checks, ensuring Priya's chat session is securely stored and instantly available for agents, bots, and analytics tools that will handle it next. This stage is the digital backbone, quiet but critical, making sure the right information flows to the right place every single time. As soon as Priya's message enters the system, a smart AI-powered virtual assistant greets her instantly. "Hello Priya. I can help you track your order. Can you please confirm your registered email or phone number?" Priya responds by sharing her email, and within seconds, the bot accesses the order database to retrieve the latest shipping information. Under normal circumstances, if the system finds the details, the bot would reply instantly, "Your package is in transit and will be delivered tomorrow." Fast, efficient, and without ever involving a human agent. But this time, there's a twist. The delivery system API is temporarily down, preventing the bot from pulling the information. Recognizing its limitation, the bot escalates the chat seamlessly, passing Priya's request to a live support agent without losing any of the information already collected. With the bot unable to complete the request, Priya's chat is now transferred to the order support queue, a digital waiting area where incoming requests are lined up for the next available agent. As this happens, Priya receives a courteous message on her screen, "Please hold on," connecting you to a support agent. Behind the scenes, the system begins applying intelligent queue management, prioritizing requests based on skills, language preferences, and urgency levels. Every second here is designed to ensure that when Priya connects to a human agent, it's someone fully equipped to resolve her issue quickly and effectively. It's a brief pause, but a critical one, optimizing resources so the right customer reaches the right agent at the right time. Now the routing engine steps in, working in real time to find the best available agent for Priya's request. It checks three key factors: First, which agents have the right skills for order management tasks? Second, who currently has the fewest active chats, ensuring workload balance across the team? And third, which agent speaks Priya's preferred language, so communication is smooth and accurate? Within seconds, the system identifies the ideal match, Agent Rahul, and prepares to connect Priya directly to him, carrying forward all the information collected so far. This ensures that when Rahul joins, he has full context from the very start, reducing repetition and speeding up resolution. The system now sends the chat directly to Agent Rahul's desktop interface. On his screen, a notification pops up with all the essential details at a glance. Customer name, Priya. Chat history, wants order status. Information captured earlier by the bot, email address. Rahul has the complete context even before he types his first word, so there's no need to repeat questions or waste time gathering background information. With one click, Rahul accepts the chat, ready to take over the conversation and provide the human touch needed to resolve Priya's concern quickly and efficiently. With the chat now in his hands, Rahul greets Priya warmly. Hi Priya, I see you're checking your order number 4567. Let me quickly verify the tracking details. He immediately accesses the logistics system, pulling up the shipment status linked to her order. Within seconds, Rahul finds the tracking ID and shares a clear, timely update. Your package is currently at the local hub and will be delivered by tomorrow evening. Reassured, Priya responds with a simple yet satisfied, thank you. It's a moment of real-time collaboration, technology enabling speed, and human empathy ensuring customer trust. With Priya's query fully resolved, Rahul moves to the wrap-up stage. He tags the conversation as order tracking, ensuring it's properly categorized for future reference. Then he writes a short summary note in the CRM, capturing the key details of the interaction, what was asked, what was resolved, and any follow-up steps if needed. Finally, with all documentation complete, Rahul closes the interaction, marking the case as resolved and freeing his queue for the next customer waiting for assistance. After the chat ends, the system automatically moves into post-interaction processing. Priya receives a survey link on her screen asking, please rate your chat experience. This instant feedback helps measure customer satisfaction right after the conversation. Meanwhile, the entire chat transcript is securely saved in the CRM, creating a complete record for compliance, training, and future reference. Finally, the system logs the session data into analytics dashboards, contributing to key performance metrics like first contact resolution, average handle time, and customer satisfaction scores. These insights help the company track performance, identify trends, and continuously improve the customer experience. This journey highlights three key takeaways. First, Priya's need was resolved quickly and conveniently, all without the need for a phone call. Second, the seamless collaboration between the AI bot and the live agent created a smoother, faster, and more efficient support experience. And third, the company gained valuable insights through analytics, helping improve future service quality and overall customer satisfaction. A perfect blend of speed, convenience, and intelligence, reshaping customer support for the digital era. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.